Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy coming to you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 4 crypto coins that I personally invest in and I plan to continue investing in because it's going to make me the most money, let me tell it. So let's just get into today's video. Alright guys, so we're talking about cryptocurrency and the coins I currently hold, right? And how I hold them, why I hold them, and am I going to continue to hold them? And it's another coin that I'm going to add to my crypto portfolio, but we're going to get to that later. All right, so we're going to talk off the cuff here, guys. I got 4 coins that really piqued my interest. And I'm going to tell you what these coins are, and I hold all these coins right now. I'm going to show you my portfolio and all that good jazz. But first, we got to talk about why. Why do I invest in cryptocurrency? Pretty much because crypto is here to stay. If you think crypto is not, you're fooling yourself. The government is trying to get on their own cryptocurrency, and at this point, Bitcoin has solidified itself to the point where there's no way it's going anywhere. No way. It may do a couple falls here and there, but it's here to stay. Now, we talking 4 coins, right? I'm gonna give you my first coin that I started investing into. I first started investing to the USDC cryptocurrency coin. Why? Because it's pegged to the US dollar. I know what you're thinking. Okay. But why though? Pretty much this coin is pegged to the US dollar, which means it's literally the price of $1 at all times. Now, why do I invest in this coin? I use this coin as a saving method. I used to allocate $250 per check into an Ally savings account, because Ally had a very high interest rate. But as you all know, long live the king.
Help me!
Long live the king.
They do not offer a high rate no more. So I do not want to keep my money over there as far as just letting it sit there and save, because inflation is outrageous nowadays. But I started investing into the USDC coin. The USDC coin, like I said, paid to the dollar, and it has a very high interest rate attached to it. I invest through the exchange crypto.com. Now there's a lot of exchanges out there. You can use Binance, Coinbase Pro, BlockFi, and me personally, I use crypto. Why do I use crypto? I just like how it looked. It started off when I first started. Truthfully, I'm gonna keep it 100. I literally like the layout of it. I did. That's why I picked crypto. And after getting involved with crypto, looking them up, actually creating my account, you realize that they have some crypto like debit/credit cards, and some of the perks on them cards was really intriguing to me. So I got one. Now, in order to get the card, you do have to stake X amount of money into their cryptocurrency, and their cryptocurrency is CRO. So I think I staked like $400 and I was able to get this card. The benefits of this card is it gives you a rebate on, I think, Netflix, if I'm not mistaken. I know it gives you Netflix and Spotify, but I think mine is the Netflix. And pretty much I put my Netflix on the card, pays it on auto pay, and they reimburse me back in CRO, which is their cryptocurrency. So now I'm steadily gaining their cryptocurrency. That's going up in price as more people start to stake it to get the cards. Right? It's a win-win. So I got that card and I use crypto.com. Like I said, the link for that will be in the description. Right? So check that out. Now, the next coin I invest a lot of my money into would be Ethereum. Why? Because I believe in it full on. I know Bitcoin is the highest, but to me, Ethereum has more usage, and in time, I truly believe Ethereum will surpass Bitcoin easily.
Say again?
Very easily.
You smart.
So it may take a while for it to do that, but I truly believe that Ethereum is going to pass it just based off its usage. Everything is pretty much built on Ethereum. A lot of these NFTs, a lot of these altcoins, Ethereum. So I do invest a lot of money into that. I think I have like I'm coming up to being over $4,000 to $5,000 in Ethereum. I had more, but I was mining with it, and I sold my rig because you won't be able to mine Ethereum in like the next couple months. They said December, but more likely they're gonna push it back again. But I went ahead and sold my rig because those graphics cards were expensive and the price of graphics cards were falling, and I wanted to get all my money back for my graphics cards before they drop. So, and now I just used the staking feature. So I pulled and made the payments to pay off all my stuff, and I'm sitting at like 1 point some coin of Ethereum. So when it came to Ethereum, like I said, I was mining it. In the midst of mining it, you learn so much about the coin, and you realize that, like I said, I would not be able to mine it soon. And with the information that was to me, I knew I had to find out what would happen. And I found the next coin that I was able to mine. So I started mining that coin. I started mining it like 3 months ago. And that coin, which is the third coin I own in my portfolio, which would be Ravencoin. Ravencoin is very, very small coin as of now, but in the world of mining, when Ethereum drops down and you won't be able to mine it no more, anybody who has an actual mining rig, everybody won't be able to sell their graphics cards, right? Because you just won't be able to, unfortunately. But for all the people who invested so much money into their graphics cards and those rigs, they have to do something. And there are about 2 to 3 very good options that they can use to start mining. You got Arrow, Ravencoin, and there's another coin that everybody's really interested in. I chose Ravencoin because I think that's the one that everybody's going to pick. But you got to think about how many miners there is out there. And let's just say when Ethereum go down, if half of them choose to pick Ravencoin and the other half go to Arrow, that's a high percentage of Ravencoin starting to build some momentum and gain price. So I went ahead and started mining Ravencoin, and I kind of allocate, since it's so cheap, I probably allocate like $20 to it a month. And that's the coin, that's the third coin in my portfolio. I think I have like 2,200 some coins of Ravencoin, so yeah. And the fourth coin in my portfolio, of course, would be Shiba Inu. Now, why do I have Shiba Inu? I got the idea, I don't know, three months ago, that it has a potential chance to actually do something, because so many people will want to ride the hype wave because so many people felt they left out on Dogecoin. So I put like $800 in it, just for shits and giggles. And yeah, I think a month ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that, that $800 turned into $2,400, and I was like, wow. So it turned out to be a good investment. Like I said, I think it has a chance to do a quicker run up, only because they are actually using the coin for stuff. They're creating the NFTs. They're soon to be usable at AMC. So just the uses of the coin is starting to pick up. And I think with that being said, and how quick it gained traction as far as it growing in market cap to that level in that short period of time, I think it has a chance to do another good run up. I'm not saying go hit 1 cent. I don't, truthfully, I'm keeping it stacked with y'all, I don't think it's going to hit 1 cent. Maybe 0.01, but that's like maybe a year and a half from now. Me personally, my target price range is anywhere from 0.005 to 0.0006. So 205 to 306 is my target price range that I'm looking to get to. The 1 cent, I won't be there for that journey. If it did, hey, I'm gonna be sitting on the sideline like, whew, missed out on that one. But that's my price range for Shiba Inu. I do think between my price range, it has a very good chance to get there, and that's why I haven't pulled my coins out. And for those who wonder how many coins I got like a lot. Like, I think 110 million? Yeah, I got like 110 million Shiba Inu coins. Now that is my entire crypto portfolio, and I know what everybody thinking, this guy's not holding no Bitcoin. I'm actually not. I had never bought Bitcoin, believe it or not. And I was just skeptical of it, truthfully. The ideology that it's a set amount and it halves, and I get the ideal of it. I see the rarity in it. Like, I can see it literally turn into digital gold. I can see that aspect, but I never invested in it. But at the point is that now, especially with these future contracts going out from the government and stuff like that, I am going to start. That is the next coin I'm going to add to my portfolio. So those are the 5 coins I will have. I have 4 now, but the 5th one is in process of coming. So them the only coins I'm actually interested in investing in. I got enough sheep. I can never have enough Ethereum. I can never have enough USDC, and I don't know how much fully I'm gonna allocate to a Bitcoin, but I'm gonna start allocating towards that. So that's my crypto portfolio. I would love to see or hear about you guys' crypto portfolio. What are you holding? Are you gonna sell? How long have you been holding? What do you think of the actual market? Is 2022 gonna be strictly crypto run-up season, right? It's so much can happen next year for crypto. So I want to hear from you guys. Are you holding? What you holding? I want to know. So please comment below. Let's get the conversation going. I'm really curious to see how much people are allocating towards their Bitcoin. So, but that's all I have to say about crypto. Like I said, love to hear you guys' feedback about my portfolio. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.